What's up guys? Welcome to Chomping Champion. मैं हूँ आपका दोस्त अनूप कामत. Today we are going to try food from a new joint. This place has opened up about 20 days back and this is a delivery kitchen. So you can order through Zomato or you can directly order from the website. The name of the place is Land of Litti. LOL. Interesting name, isn't it? So as the name suggests, what we are going to try is a litti meal. So we're going to try litti chokha and couple of other things or 2 or 3 things which will come with that. We'll also try a starter and couple of sweet dishes. Now litti is famous all across India just like momos or samosas. Particularly it is famous in Bihar, Jharkhand and in eastern UP. It is also famous in places like Mauritius, Fiji and Suriname. Because many people would wonder whether litti chokha is similar to the dal bati churma which is famous in Rajasthan. Yes, bati looks like litti, but the taste and texture of bati and litti are very different. Both are made of dough which is baked in the fire. So litti has got a spicy core. So it has got sattu, it has got the masalas which goes into pickle and also ginger garlic. It is slightly sour and it has got the taste of sattu. So that is what we are going to explore today. So before trying the litti chokha meal, I am going to try a starter and that is aloo chaat. Aloo chaat is right in front of me. I saw how it was getting made, but unfortunately I couldn't completely shoot it because of a power failure. The cameras were not working in low light. Actually, this aroma of aloo chaat is so nice and so fragrant. It is kind of filling up this room. You can see the potato pieces which are fried so that they have a golden crispy outside, some onion pieces and some masala and couple of pieces of this nimbu. So let's just squeeze a nimbu, little bit of lemon on top of this chaat and try this chaat. The potatoes are fried to perfection, very soft inside but extremely crispy on the outside. And the masalas are mild. I like the taste of the crispy potato with the onion and the lemon juice. Actually, when we started Chomping Champion, the first episode we did, I think on Shah Jahan Road near India Gate, was on Prabhu Chaat Bhandar. We had tasted the aloo chaat there. Now, after 2 years, this chaat reminds me of the first episode. On a wintry afternoon, this aloo chaat is a perfect snack, probably with hot tea. Aloo chaat. Now we are going to try the litti chokha meal. In litti chokha meal, you can see there are 4 littis and there is chokha along with a red chutney. I think that chutney is quite tempting. Along with this, in the meal itself, there is rice and chana dal with a salad of freshly cut tomatoes and onions. That comprises the meal. I'm going to just taste a portion of it, and they are not in the containers in which you will get, but it's served in a plate. So let's try the litti chokha first. So this litti is nice. Just see the brown color on the surface. Let's just break the litti and see. You can see the inside of the litti. So you can see the stuffing of the sattu and all the good spices which have gone inside the litti. So this litti piece, I'll dip it in some ghee. You can see fresh ghee. This is served extra and some chokha goes on top of this piece and also a little bit of chutney. How beautiful it looks. The first taste I can get is of the sattu which has gone inside the litti along with the spices. It is little khatta, but that's how litti tastes. So this small piece of litti I'll dip in the red spicy chutney. That's the way I like to eat litti, with this red chutney. But the choka itself is quite tasty. The smoky flavor of bengan, and I think it's the mustard oil, the pungency that really works. It's a great combination. Litti, the red chutney, and this fantastic choka. Litti is full of carbohydrates, but just not carbohydrates. It has got iron and protein when you have this litti choka combination. So it's a complete meal and you can have it at any time of the day. I love to have it in the winters because when you have it hot along with the choka and the spicy chutney, it really warms you up. So here goes one more bite. The litti, the outer shell of the litti is very crunchy, it's very crispy, but inside the taste of sattu is very different. Two contrasting textures and flavors. So the litti choka meal is not over. The second component of the meal is this rice and chana dal and this salad. Actually, I have taken only a portion of the rice and dal. This meal is enough for 2 people and this cost only 299 rupees. This is quite affordable and it's coming from a very hygienic kitchen made with the finest ingredients. So let's taste this dal and rice. Little bit of salad on the top. The creamy texture of the dal is quite nice. But the more interesting flavor is given by this salad. You should have the salad with the rice and chana dal. Actually, there is some mustard oil and there is something spicy in this salad. So I'm really enjoying this. 2 people can easily have or enjoy this litti choka meal. 4 littis, a good portion of choka, an extremely flavorful spicy chutney, rice, chana dal and a salad. This is the biggest meal which LOL or Land of Litti offers. Only for 299. Extremely tasty and affordable. To end this meal from Land of Litti, after the aloo chaat and the litti choka meal, I have hot gajar ki halwa here. This is one winter specialty which I love to have after every meal. Not overly sweet, nor is it heavy. It's quite light and I really like the flavor of this. Just see the texture. So Land of Litti has got a very small menu, but that menu is good to enjoy these wintry afternoons and evenings. So try the food from Land of Litti. I'll give the website address of Land of Litti, LOL, it's easy to remember, and a number right here. If you have liked the episode, smash the like button. If you have not subscribed to my channel, Chomping Champion, please do it now. We need your support. Also click on the bell button to get all the notifications. Till the next episode, take care and stay fit. Bye.